On July 7, 1930, preliminary work began on the site of what would become the Hoover Dam. Over the next 5 years, 21,000 men worked tirelessly to construct the largest dam of its time and one of the world's largest man-made structures. The Hoover Dam's construction was a project nearly 30 years in the making. Engineer Arthur Powell Davis from the Bureau of Reclamation first envisioned the dam in 1902. His engineering report laid the foundation for the project's plans, which finally took shape in 1922. The first phase of construction began in July 1930, focusing on building railroads, construction roads, and a town to house the workers. The dam itself began to take shape the following spring. Herbert Hoover, the 31st President of the United States and a dedicated conservationist, was instrumental in realizing Davis's vision. As Secretary of Commerce in 1921, Hoover championed the high dam in Boulder Canyon, which would provide essential flood control, expand irrigated farming in the desert, and supply water to Los Angeles and other Southern California communities. Despite Hoover's enthusiasm and regional support, congressional approval and state cooperation were slow. Water rights disputes among western states with claims on the Colorado River had long been contentious. Hoover negotiated the Colorado River Compact, dividing the river basin into two regions with shared water. He repeatedly introduced the dam bill until the House and Senate approved it in 1928. In 1929, now President Hoover signed the Colorado River Compact into law, calling it the most extensive action ever taken by a group of states under the provisions of the Constitution permitting compacts between states. Once preparations were complete, construction of the Hoover Dam advanced rapidly. Contractors finished the project 2 years ahead of schedule and millions of dollars under budget. Today, Hoover Dam generates enough energy to serve over 1 million people annually and stands as a testament to collective genius and community effort.